Hi guys, this is Tiffany here. I just wanted to put together this brief tutorial to give you an idea of what you need to do to get up your Survey Junkie account activated and ready to go. Okay. Now, first, let's start here at my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. I am a real person. My name is Tiffany Williams. I do live in Lawton, Oklahoma, and I also have my bachelor's degree in communications with a concentration on communication studies and a minor in PR and marketing. So at this time, I am a media research recruiter and also quality coach. So if you have any questions or anything I might be able to help you with, definitely let me know. But I mentioned that when I have my bachelor's degree, a lot of people wonder why. But with that, I actually have been working home for almost 3 years now. And as a single mom with 2 boys, it's really perfect for me. It has that flexibility for me to be able to do what I need to with my schedule and be able to participate in the things that they have. And then also, I get to be my own boss. And I don't know about you, but I definitely like that. But as far as the company and itself, the company that we work for is called Survey Junkie. They are under the network of Blue Media Ventures. Now, we do have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, so I encourage you to research that. That way you can be rest assured that this is in fact a valid company and this is a valid offer. Now, it didn't depend on how you got here. Many of us, it was because we saw an ad in classifieds or on Facebook, and whichever, we all have the same idea in mind. We want to make additional money. Now, with this particular program, you could have been in customer service before, or you might be a forklift driver now, or maybe you're in insurance like I was. Matter of fact, if you are putting in hard hours at McDonald's or Burger King, you can still know that this particular program is still going to help you either supplement your income or also be part of your additional income. Okay? Now let's get started with this step-by-step process. You are welcome to follow along. I encourage you to do so. But this will get us past that first step so that we can go ahead and move to the other part of the business that's going to bring in more income. Okay, now first thing we want to do here is click on Join Now. And have the opportunity to even go through Facebook, Google+, or here by entering in your email address. Okay, you want to click here on I agree and sign up. Now here it's going to give you some real quick questions that you'll want to answer. Those are going to be very fast, but you want to click on Start Now, enter in your zip code, next, confirm our country, and the date of birth. Okay, and we go to log in and start earning. And that, in fact, is going to take you here. Now, once you get to this particular point, what you want to do first is go over here and confirm your email. You also want to do these things here, which is how it works and complete your profile. Both of these, you want to make sure that you do answer those questions openly and honestly. That way, it gives you the credit that you need to get, particularly to your account, but also the surveys that are going to apply specifically to you without you having to constantly get any that don't apply or something that you may not want to do a survey on. Okay? But once you do that with confirming your email, you'll want to do that as soon as you possibly can because there is a small window that they have for you to confirm that email. And outside of that, that's it. It's just that simple to get started. What we do is we actually copy and paste ads and take surveys for cash. So now you're ready to go. All right. Just make sure you give one of us the okay that you have in fact registered, and we'll be able to get you on to that next step. All right. Bye for now. I'll see you on the inside.